Good morning, students. Beta, we have completed the chapter Sodia. Now we have to begin with stop, check, and go. Okay, this is your part, but let's do this. First one topic. Firstly, stop, check, and go. This is part two. Okay, now let's move on to the first chapter. First exercise number A. So, A1, Anita Desai. Part 2, Part 3, George Lucas. Fourth image is the flute concert. Fifth is rugby, and the sixth one is JV Narlikar. Okay, so these are the answers. Anita Desai, Baladi, George Lucas, the flute concert, rugby, and JV Narlikar. This is flute. Okay, flute. Please take down the screenshot of answer number 1, means A part of the exercise. Please take down the screenshot of the A part of the exercise. Now, exercise number 2, that is B exercise. You are going to do it yourself. Exercise number C, fill in the blanks. So first part, laws keeps us safe. When selling price is more than the cost price, then there is what? Profit. Third part, House of Mr. Biswas was written by V.S. Naipaul. Fourth part, Dash gave the slogan, freedom is my birthright. So the answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He said, freedom is my birthright. Now, fifth part, Francis Ford Coppola directed the movie. Directed what? The Godfather. Please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot of the C part of the exercise. After this, let's move on to the exercise number D. Okay, so I'm hoping that you have taken down the screenshot, all of you. I'm rubbing this off. So the D exercise is answer in one word. Who directed the movie Star Wars? Who directed the movie Star Wars? That is George Lucas. Second part, who painted the Last Supper? Leonardo Da Vinci. Who painted The Last Supper? The answer is the Leonardo Vinci. Third part is, what is the term for surgery in Sanskrit? That is Shalya. Shalya Tantra. And the fourth part, where is Marar Cricket Ground? Austria. And the fifth part is, who is called the father of India's chemical industry? That is P.C. Roy. Okay. He is called the father of India's chemical industry. Now please take down the screenshot, all of you. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, I am removing this off now. E part of the exercise. Tick the correct choice. Kaya Chikitsa is the Sanskrit word for medicine. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. Third, India's topmost ornithologist was Salim Ali. Eden Park Stadium is in Auckland. Eden Park Stadium is in Auckland. Jaws was directed by whom? Steven Spielberg. Okay, Stephen Spielberg. Now, please take down the screenshot. Okay, so please take down the screenshot so that I could rub it off. Okay, I'm rubbing this off now, students. Let's move on to the F exercise. So what is F exercise? F is match the following. So Shushastra is what? Is plastic surgery? Is plastic surgery? Jhumpa Lahiri was what? The namesake? Third, cyber citizens means internet plus citizens, that makes cyber citizens. And the fourth one is The Weeping Women was written by Pablo Picasso. And the last part of this exercise, fifth part, Milgona, sorry, Milonga. Milonga is in Argentina. Is in Argentina. So the answer to first one is Shushustra is plastic surgery. Jhumpa Lahiri is the namesake. Cyber citizen is internet plus citizen. The weeping women is Pablo Picasso. Milonga is the Argentina. Okay. So please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot, all of you. Okay, so I'm rubbing this off, students. So, with this, we have completed this chapter, that is stop, check and go. Now, 41 you have to do yourself, IQ. 42 is also IQ, and 43 is quiz. All these three topics you have to do it by yourself. Now, let's move on to the another topic, that is world records. Page chapter number 44. Okay, so here we have to see the oldest records. So first one, oldest professional club DJ, leading a sort of double life. Simco Iwamura, that is Akka DJ Sumi Rock now holds the Guinness World Record title for the oldest professional club DJ at 83 years and 118 days of as of 25 May 2018. So, who holds the oldest professional DJ record? Guinness World Record is Sumiko Iwamura. So, DJ Simi Rock. DJ Sumi Rock. Sumiko, so Sumi Rock. Okay, and its year, days, and the date is also mentioned, that at what date this what this club was opened. Am I clear? Another world record is largest school number of pupils. So the largest school in terms of pupil is City Montessori School in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, which had 55,547 pupils as of 16 January 2019 across 18 campuses in the city. So, City Montessori is holds the largest number of people, that is 55,547 people, that is students. And this date, this was recorded on what date? 16 January 2009, and it is the largest out of 18 campuses in the city. Now, largest collection of model cars. The largest collection of model cars is 37,777 unique items achieved by Nabil Karam and verified in Zouk, Lebanon on 9th June 2016. He has also set a record on 8th November 2018 for the largest collection of stamps featuring automobiles. So we have studied up till now what? Oldest professional oldest professional club DJ. Second is largest school, number of pupils. Third, and largest collection of model cars, and also what, largest collection of stamps featuring automobiles. Okay, so two things is that largest collection of model cars and also largest collection of stamps featuring automobiles. Now the fourth one is oldest desert. So what is oldest desert? Namib Desert spans 2000 kilometers. It is the oldest desert which has been arid or semi-arid for at least 80 million years. Okay, so first one is oldest professional club DJ, largest school, number of people. Third is largest collection of model cars and also largest collection of stamps featuring automobiles. And the last one, oldest desert. What is the oldest desert? Naim Desert. Okay. Another longest bridge tunnel. Okay, so I'm rubbing this off. Please take down the screenshot so that I can rub this off. Okay. Fifth one is largest bridge tunnels. Okay, so the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau bridge is made up of nearly 35-kilometer bridge and road sections and a 6.7-kilometer tunnel, and has been dubbed the longest bridge cum tunnel sea crossing in the world. It is also called longest bridge cum tunnel sea crossing. Okay. Largest bridge tunnel or the longest bridge cum tunnel sea crossing. So we have already discussed what all come under this bridge. How many tunnels comes under this? 6.5 kilometer tunnel, 6.7 kilometer tunnels come into this, and also it is made up of what? 35-kilometer bridge. Okay, 35-kilometer bridge and road section. And what are the cities? Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau bridge is made up of nearly 37 bridge. Now the last one, largest collection of Dragon Ball memorabilia So the largest collection of Dragon Balls memorabilia consists of 10,098 items and was achieved by Hitoshi Uchida, that is Japan, in Kita, Tokyo, Japan on 18 July 2019. Hitoshi Uchida has been collecting Dragon Balls memorabilia goods and has two dedicated collection room. Okay, so beta, I think your homework would be do the exercise number what? B. Exercise number B. Yes, exercise number B from the page number 67. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.